Okay, so now we are trying to get this brake band off. As you can see, this was once a circle. And it's now whatever shape that is. But we're either gonna have to cut it off or grind it off. There's a little, the end of it's just a tad bit bigger so that it can't come off. And you see right there. So I'm just gonna try and file it down to where I can get it the same size. It's just barely a lip. Look at that. So we're gonna I want to re-weld this right here. Everything should go together. I think we're going to have to move the sprocket, right, Branson? Hang on, what are you doing over here?
Making a thing to mount the... Where's the bolts to that line back?
In my truck.
You want to go get them for me?
Yeah, I will. Here's your bag of nuts.
Thanks.
You're welcome. So pretty much we're going to have to redo this entire axle setup, I'm pretty sure.
Yeah. And we got on the Sharpie.
So I'm about to start filing down on this little thing right there.
What happened to that red Sharpie? Here's black Sharpie.
You're going to draw on black with the black Sharpie?
Yeah, man. Watch, it works. It works. It works.
You see how many hours this sprocket, this whole setup has on it? Literally none. What, 3, 4 rides?
About 2 rides.
Okay, I wasn't even hitting on it for a minute, and now I've decided we're gonna cut it off because that was not fun. This thing did have a roll cage on it, as you can see. Thunder cart. The seat has been destroyed.
So you destroy it more?
Yeah, isn't that what you're supposed to do?
Well, you know, Dustin.
Alright, we got it. The old axles cut off of it. What Branson did. I gave up. Now we gotta take this gargantuous nut off of it. And then we're gonna move the sprocket right here. And we gotta walk around back and get a big adjustable wrench. Who's that? Oh yeah, I forgot all about that thing. We're gonna put it on the pool table.
If I put that mug up there.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, it's not gonna be deep enough. Oh yeah, that's overkill.
Not good. I thought we were getting somewhere. They're not deep enough. They're not deep enough. They're not deep enough. Not deep enough. They're all gonna be the same depth, boy.
If we can break that to about like right there.
Alright, I'll go put that up. You know why. Okay, through my smartness, we got some channel locks up. And believe it or not, it didn't strip it out whenever we tried. Those threads are so dirty, but it works.
Well, no crap. I've been running this mug in the grass, and it was on a drift trike, so it's probably got a little concrete in there.
Concrete?
Mm-hmm. Or plastic off the plastic sleeves.
Oh yeah, the tires are sleeved. I don't know if y'all noticed or not. And this is from Go Power Sports, right?
No, this is from BMI Carts. It's a pretty good website.
Are they cheaper?
They're about the same price.
Oh.
Some stuff's cheaper.
I know Go Power.
They sell 10 times more than Go Power Sports smells.
Because Go Power Sports prices are ridiculous. When you can buy the same thing on Amazon for like $20 cheaper. Got him. And you gotta listen up that Allen key. No sir. You have to bring about 30 of them. It'll
Give
work.
me a pipe.
You better watch your mouth. You want me to do a catch up?
There's another big voodoo down here. There's a big mama.
Oh, because look, you got 1, 2.
No, that's to keep it from sliding.
Yeah, I know. All right, so you got 2. Just this one right here will be enough. That thing was monstrous. I can't believe that's the right size. You're going the wrong way. You're going the wrong way. You got to push. Look at the slack in that thing. Man said if he strips it out, he don't care.
Well, I care, because you know.
This is my go-kart axle. It's not a ratchet. Whoa, hey, you're tightening it.
No, I'm not. I was going right.
No, you're tightening. Pop rocks. Pop rocks. How hot is that?
Pretty hot.
You want me to finish or do you want to do it?
No, I'm gonna finish it so now I can actually don't have to
Make it look good.
dodge it.
Make it look good. Hey, clean your visor off, Branson. I mean, not your visor, your glass. As you can see, haven't recorded in a little while. Stuff we've been working on. So this right here is a John Deere 116 that I got from Branson. Obviously,
A lot of crap that I come up with for free, by the way.
we have a whole bunch of crap that just pops up. So there's the weights on the back. We welded all this up. It does run. It just needs a stator. I mean a coil, not a stator. I built this exhaust for it. This is actually off of a CRF. This whole exhaust from here down is from a CRF 150F header that I cut up. And this is off a Craftsman single cylinder engine. What's up, guys? I'm just now realizing I never filmed an outro for this video. This is part one. Me and Branson were working on it last night, all this stuff, and trying to get some more steering angle out of it. And we realized that this part of the frame is bent over here, but it really doesn't matter. We can always fix that. Branson builded. Branson made an exhaust for it last night. looks a little odd, as you can see. But I ordered a stage 1 kit from Go Power Sports for this Hemi. Tell us what y'all think in the comments down below. This is our first time building a go-kart, and the welds I did on this side look actually really, no they don't, they're rusted now. Anyway, yeah. Tell us what you guys think. What do y'all think about it? It's our first time doing something like this. We've had go-karts before, but we didn't do anything to them. Mine had a non-Hemi 212 on it, and this one, which is Branson's old go-kart, had a Hemi 212. Yeah, that's pretty much it. If you guys did enjoy, please give the video a thumbs up. I haven't uploaded in so long. I think it's like 10 months now. Subscribe if you want to, if y'all are new to the channel and all that. So yeah, that's pretty much it. This is just part one of the video. Part two will be out next time I feel like it, probably. I don't know. I don't have a schedule. I'm just gonna upload when I feel like it. So yeah.